get it and go. Keep that bag and go. Shut that pack, reload. Keep that, let me go home. Get it and go. Keep that bag and go. Shut that pack, reload. Let's go. Get the bag, get the bag, get the bag, get the bag, get it and go. Shut that pack, let me get and reload. Smash down west and mash down hoes. Whoa, whoa. Keep that back, hit the belly like whoa. Snap get fat, come on back and blow. What man know about hustle and blow? You joking? Man don't joke. You smoking? Trust me, man, I'm slow. I wanna have fun with my dough. I say I wouldn't let it go. Back then, man, you don't wanna know that the phone never goes with it. Self-employed, self-employed, man, self-employed. Most of the men are self-employed. Even my girlfriend's self-employed. I'll get a job, I'll give man a job. Yeah, man, I got jobs, I'm self-employed. Didn't wanna work, I made my own work. Never got enough work, I'm self-employed, self-employed, man, self-employed. Most of the men are self-employed. Even my girlfriend's self-employed. Can't get a job, I'll give man.
Sandro African Caribbean Foundation, right here at Handsworth Park, simmer down. This is what they do. Yeah, they cater for men and women all across the UK and especially in the Caribbean community. So now they're just going to tell you about themselves a bit. Here we go. These are the two ladies in charge. So who are we going to talk to? Alright, we're going to talk to Chris. Alright, this is Chris. He's in charge. Alright, so what exactly does your organisation do?
Well, we're a mental health charity, and we help people who are going through difficulties with their mental health, those coming out of hospital, and those who are trying to live in the community after being in hospital. So we assist them with various things. We have a men's group which I manage. We go on trips, we go on excursions, you know. We do workshops with them, healthy eating, how to cope with various things in life, basically.
So if somebody was lacking information and wanted to contact you, got any details? Do you want to give them the details?
Well, our details are on our leaflets.
So just pick one up and
for the mentor man group, our number is 0121 525 1629, and you ask for me, Chris. If you need counselling, you ask for Jennifer. She's our lead counsellor. So, you know, we do a lot of things in the community.
Okay. Well, alright, we're reporting for Jamaican Life Abroad TV, yeah? And on Tuesday, you'll see this up on the channel because we're supporting all black things in the community, and if you come from Jamaica and all that, yeah? We're just trying to get everybody together, but like it says, we'll be taking a couple of your leaflets, and with your permission, if it's alright to put them up on the channel, so people know, that'll be alright. Okay then, thank you very much, and that was Chris from the African Caribbean Foundation. Okay, thanks a lot, people. Everybody will come down to Sumarong and Park 2024.
Birmingham, make some noise! Hey, hey, hey! Radigan band! Make some noise for Love Injection, the one that clashed last night. What a bam, 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 bam. 1997, hotel room, Kingston, Jamaica. Phone rings. It's Lieutenant Stitchy. He said, Rodigan, come quick, come to the dub studio. They've just built this new rhythm. They've built the most amazing rhythm. You've never heard it before. I'm going to voice a dub right now. Ladies and gentlemen, this was the dub that was voiced by Lieutenant Stitchy with an intro by Shot Dog. If you understand Jamaican patois, I figure you're going to understand what he says on the intro. General!
Rodigan, I can't stop here because I'm going to come on a foundation. Yeah, you shot down with your bank to Mancoot and live long. I am original Reggae, make a new thing. I am easy keep man, original Luther, teach the father, talk to them, governor.
Let me try that again.
Rodigan, I can't stop here because I'm going to come on a foundation. Yeah, you shot down with your bank to Mancoot and live long. I am original Reggae, make a new thing. I am easy keep man, original Luther, teach the father, talk to them, governor.
Hey, Kata, and fight for the girl and striper. Hey, Rodigan, I want to understand. Say no more in England, you don't want to write for the world, I want to understand. They're going to live and work, I tell you this. I want to know Rodigan, a big tune, big tune. Rodigan,
If you're happy and you love it, say pull up. Hey, 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 hey. Who got the keys to my big man? Who am I? The girls them sugar. How can I make love to a fella in a rush? Pass me the keys to my truck. Who am I? The girls them love. And I, we make love to pressure. You will never talk about deep like a bucket. Draw for your nigga like your nigga can't stitch it. Draw for your answer like a gun, you wanna chop it. Draw for your big answer like a gun, you wanna dig it. It's like a river to tell this story, I'm going to tell it today. In 1980, on a Friday afternoon at Island Records, I was walking up the stairs to get some new records from the gallery. I couldn't believe who was walking down the stairs. It was Bob Marley and family man Barrett, and a friend of theirs. I mean, this is Bob Marley. I jumped all protocol. I said, Mr. Marley, you don't know who I am, but I have a reggae show Saturday night on Capital Radio. Please, will you come on the show tomorrow? And he said, yeah, why not? He was on his way back from the Zimbabwe independence celebrations, and in a split second, another 5 seconds, I wouldn't have seen it. But what he said to me then blew me away. He said, can I play you a new song I just finished recording? Well, of course. So we go back up the stairs. He takes me into the listening room at Island Records. He takes a cassette out of his jacket pocket, puts it in the player and presses play. I'm sitting on the sofa in the listening room at Island Records on a Friday afternoon. Bob Marley's here, family man Barrett's there. I'm listening to the song. When the song finished, he said to me, do you think that mix is suitable for FM radio in New York or AM radio in New York? That's how particular he was. Bob Marley's asking me my opinion. I told him, well, I think it sounds good for FM New York. He said, okay, good. So you get it for a world exclusive tomorrow night. Saturday night, Capital Radio, he walked in with a tape, a reel-to-reel, and I pressed play. Is rocky and you must stumble through. We have to stumble through. I have to stumble off the stage now and make way for the next act. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for a wonderful Sunday afternoon. I'm going to leave you with the Cadenza remix. The boy from Jamestown, who the world knows. Make some noise about Marley.
be with them. We'll share have a wonderful summer, love each other, care for each other. Until we meet again, take care. Thank you, Marley.
I'm Mr. Radical, them want me to rip it up. And all the blank glass style and them a pick it up. From in the London town where them cut it up. Say dan da da dan da dan da da dan da da dan. For y'all them say Radical and them gaga. No boy no go test a Mr. Radical. All of the kids come in the sweater. A boy try something then we just turn it over. We sleep on wire when we sleep in fire. I tell the Radical if you big get it there's a fire.
Make some noise for Supercat!
I'm Mr. Radical style and them a pick it up. But down, turn away them touch it up. Way them want to rub it up.
Again!
Mr. Radical them want to go rip it up. And all them blank glass style and them a pick it up. I'm in a London town where them touch it up. Say dan da da dan da dan da da dan da da dan da da. For y'all them say Radical and them gaga. The boy no go test a Mr. Radical. All of the kids them come in body with the king.
If you love jungle, make some noise! Whoa! 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 30 years ago.
Wicked! Wicked! Jungle is massive! Wicked! Wicked! Jungle is massive! Wicked! Wicked! Jungle is massive!
30 years ago.
Well, big up! All original jungle is massive. The original dancehall jungle is there. General Levy alongside David Radigan. The world is in trouble. It goes, murderer. It goes about Radigan. Sensational, we got it. It goes about Radigan.
Handsworth!
Marley, all of them must bring them like a windmill. You don't feed them, but to them, we got the skill. Radical run the dancer. Booyaka, booyaka, we no take back no talker. Booyaka, booyaka. Radical.
That's enough of that. So, I thought Radigan was a reggae DJ. But you know reggae and dancehall is connected to jungle, so make some noise. I'm gonna play one more for all the jungle. If your mum loves jungle, make some noise to your mum. Rusty! A bunch of pills to get high, make some noise.
That's high. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to change the pace. This song is dedicated to my mum, to your mum. I'm from an Irish Catholic family, and I know that in those households on a Sunday morning after Mass, you couldn't go in the front room. I also know that in West Indian homes, on a Sunday morning, that front room was a special place. You couldn't just walk in there. But every Sunday morning, there's an album that used to play in the households. And this album stands the test of time. This is for your mother, your grandmother, your grandfather, your dad. This is the songs that make
Yeah, on a turn up tonight. You been having a good time? That does sound like you're having a good time. You having a good time? Alright, listen, we're not going to waste no time, alright? So we're going to go straight into it when taking down memory lane today. Alright, remember when mommy would say, alright, you can bring a boyfriend home. Remember them days then? Charles, do you remember? Remember that? No. Yeah. Yeah? Okay, she said you can bring home anybody, you know. Everybody's welcome. But never you bring home a Rasta man. Come down. Here we go. Are you ready? And that is great. Turn it up. Where the singing crew there? Where the singing crew there?
Remember that tune? No, let me thank you for this next one. All right, I always like to take the time to thank you because you went out in your hundreds of thousands. And guess what you did? You made this my very first reggae #1. Let's go. She knows what it is. She knows what it is. Press gas. There we go. All right, to know the good singing spirit. Let's go. Come on. We're ready. Singing crew over this corner. Fire. I will burn it.
What is the purpose of life? Have you ever asked yourself these questions? Why are we here? What is the purpose of existence? And what is the duty of man? Are we just here because we're here? Or is it for a purpose? That is the sole duty, man. When I thought about the God I serve and all I'm going through, as the memories rush down to my mind, brought tears to my beloved, I said to myself that I must rise and go and testify. Upon this road on which I trod to teach the word of God, my Bible is my only shield, and the music is my rock. I pray mankind would hear my voice and listen when you're gone.
Life Abroad TV. Please like, share, and subscribe.